So friends, organ harvesting is really very scary, and now that we are seeing that the governments of the nations are becoming more and more authoritarian, maybe because of the pandemic, and this scary thing may be some kind of a reality, because yesterday or day before yesterday there was a news in India where there is a parliamentarian of the ruling party who's planning to bring a bill where the organs of all the individuals will belong to the nation, but anybody can opt out. Now, I think the better thing is that if there is a scheme, and it is good if anybody can opt in, because who will do that much of paperwork, because the vast majority of the country is illiterate. They may not be able to opt out also. And okay, if you see the positive side, fine, because the organs should not go waste and they can be used for some good purpose. That is a good thing. But what if it starts promoting organ harvesting and smuggling of kidney, eyes, etc.? And what if the corruption sets in and a healthy person goes to this hospitals, and corruption may lead him somewhere else? Means just for the greed of the organs, his life might be at risk. Because we cannot rule out corruption, we cannot rule out that kind of greed. And now see, the powerful have always been dominating the less powerful. See, we have farms. Okay, we domesticate the animals for their milk. Okay, also meat and everything, also their skin. Now, if we start organ harvesting, so human beings are kind of having human farms to harvest human organs, which is very scary. It is kind of being a cannibal. Like flesh is eaten by mouth is very scary, very, very scary. But robbing someone of his organs and placing them directly into the body is also being like cannibal. What a scary world we are, heading towards. Okay, the best thing is that there should be checks and balances which are assured. Okay, a person should be assured that nothing will happen without his consent. And if a person is given a choice to opt in, then that may not be a bad thing, because many people suffer just because of organs, and many people are dying, and the organs just go waste. So idea can be good if it is implemented properly and brought in a proper way. So that's what is awareness. We should be aware, and the bill, if it ever comes and if it becomes a law and is enacted, we should be very, very aware of that, and it should be done in a positive manner with the consent of that individual. So that is my opinion, and you please write your opinion in the comment section regarding this. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.